Alright, so in this video we're going to have a look at basic lineal meter takeoffs. We'll have a look at some of the different tools you can use and give a bit of an overview of what these lineal meter takeoffs are commonly used for. So across to my account here, I'm going to do this example for framing, specifically measuring where the framed wall will go. So I'm going to base it on the top plate, for example, in this case. I'm going to add a line and just go framing with caps lock off. There we go, framing, lineal meters. Now, before I actually do jump into this, there are so many various ways to measure framing. So for me now, I'm just measuring the lineal meters to get a rough sense of it. Note there's other videos where you can use things like the recipe assistant or even create your own recipes to work out the individual studs, nogs, plates, etc. But for this video, it's purely just on the takeoff. So takeoff tool. And if I was doing, let's say, both the exterior and interior walls at once, I would go polygon. And actually this is, I should definitely highlight as an intro point, the tools here are going to be almost identical to what you'll see in square meters, cubic meters. In fact, the only difference really with the polygon in lineal meters is you can see it's hollow. It's just perimeter, it's not area. Same for the rectangle, circle, and line for lineal meters is just a line. So I'm going to use it in a second for some of the internal walls. So I'd go there, there, there. Polygon functions the same as square meters. So if you need to back up and remove a takeoff point that you've left, like there, you can go escape. And again, you'll need to use the green dot to finish it. And for me, when I'm looking at framing, I'm pretty generous. I go on the idea that I'd rather have more versus less. Timber gets chewed up pretty quick on site. So because of that, I go over doors and that kind of thing. Yeah, like I said, I'm pretty generous. So I'm going to leave it as that. Similar to the vertical square meter takeoff tool, the labels can be turned on and off because if you're doing a lot of little walls close together, they can be kind of over the top of each other. I'm not going to specifically show this one in the video because we've done deductions in another video, but know that you can absolutely minus sections. So this would be most in the case where you framed around a whole area, but there's a garage door that you need to minus out, or even a front door if you want to minus it out. You can use the deduction and it will present as a black line, lineal meter line instead. Lovely. As a bonus point, just while I'm here, we had a video on pitched square meters. Note that you can do pitched measurements in lineal meters as well. Some cases for this would be if you're doing the capping along the top of a roof, or literally anything lineal that's on an incline. So you might even be putting in drainage on a steep hill, and you want to allow for the extra material given the steepness of the lot. Lovely. As always, any questions, let us know, but hopefully that's helpful.